Hey, thanks for tuning back in. Today we are featuring a 2013 International Prostar automatic transmission, double bunk sleeper with 519,000 on the odometer. While I'm walking around the truck, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive all immediate notifications, and if you could please like and share our content, that would be great. Got aluminum steers and aluminum drives with an APU unit. Please remember to check us out online as well at exceleratetrucks.com. We manage that website daily with our accurate inventory, so it is current at all times. You can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Check the odometer here. 519,656 miles to be exact. It's your automatic transmission. Double bunk sleeper. Let's go check under the hood. Alright, again, this is a 2013 International Prostar double bunk sleeper, automatic transmission with 519,000 on the odometer. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share. Check us out online at exceleratetrucks.com. Thanks for watching.